Hey there! This is a video tutorial showing you how you could potentially get your Samsung phone to work again with your Gear VR headset, now that Samsung and Facebook have essentially discontinued servicing the Gear VR headset. I'm recording this video from my Galaxy Note 8 phone, and it's been recently factory reset, so it doesn't have a lot of the Oculus apps. So in short, hopefully this video will show you everything that you're going to need in order to get your Gear VR headset working again from a factory reset phone. So to start, I'm going to click on my settings icon here to go into my phone settings. I'm going to type in Gear VR service. Click on that. Go down to where it says storage, tap there. Click the manage storage button. And now I'm going to enable developer options for the Gear VR service by tapping the VR service area here, I believe around 5 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in my case it took 6 times. So I'm going to make sure that the add icon to app list is checked. As well, I'm going to enable developer mode. And then I will enable the Allow VR API option so that we can essentially play side-loaded VR apps. And I'll close this. And you'll see when I go to my apps area on my phone, the Gear VR service is now available there. So I'm going to tap into it. And just for testing purposes, we're going to try booting up Samsung Gallery, the VR app, which is already installed on my phone. And you'll notice that you'll get into this welcome screen. So I'm going to press the start button. I'm just going to agree to the terms. So now it's going to prompt me to download the applications that I need in order to run Oculus apps and more on my Samsung phone. The problem is that the servers, by the sounds of it, are no longer allowing you to download these applications, and so we need to sideload them. So even when we press the install button here, of course it's going to fail because the servers are no longer providing all those apps, from what I understand. So I'm going to leave this by going back to my home screen, and I'm going to go to my files, internal storage, and to my downloads folder. And here I have my Oculus apps from this video's description, and I provided all the apps that hopefully you'll need in order to get your Samsung phone working again with Gear VR. So I'm going to tap in there, and I'm now going to proceed to install all of these. Okay. Install anyways. So in that case I had to click that option in order to actually get it to install. I'm going to press done. I did the runtime. Let's grab the browser, install that. Okay, so now that we've finished installing all those apps, I'm going to go back to where the Gear VR service is. And I'm going to try test running Samsung Gallery VR. And regardless of whether your phone is in your headset or not, you should be able to boot into this Gallery app and have a look around. And so I'm not sure if you can see what I can see, but I can clearly see the Gallery app is working as expected. And I'll just exit from there. And if you're interested in finding more VR apps that you can use with your Gear VR headset, you can actually go to gearvr.net. And this is an awesome archive site for everything related to Gear VR. And it's just awesome that you can find so many old apps that you can now re-download onto your phone and play these games. Not all of them will have all the features like DLC available because of course it's offline now, it's no longer being supported. And another thing I should mention on this website is that they do have another tutorial that you can follow if the one that I'm presenting to you now did not help you. But other than that, I am going to have links to this website and that tutorial in this video's description. So I hope that will help you if you're still having issues. But otherwise, I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and have fun using your Samsung Gear VR again in modern times.